Welcome to Grosh.com. Here's a visual step-by-step tutorial on how to create an account and rent our beautiful backdrops. First, you will need to go over to Login Register. Below the Login menu, click on Create an Account. This is the first page of our account information page. You will need to fill out your company name, the industry you're in, for example, a dance company, theater, or K-12 school. Then you will need to add a phone number. Next, you will need to fill out your billing address. This is the address your payment method is billed to. If your shipping address is different from your billing address, you will need to add that next. Be sure to double check your zip codes. Click Submit once all the information is correct. Next, you will need to enter your contact information. This should be the person at your company that will be the point of contact for Grosh. You will enter their first and last name and their email address. Finally, you will create a password for your account. If at any time you need help accessing your account, please give us a call and our team would be happy to help you. Once you are finished on this page, you will hit Submit Account Details. You will be then redirected to the My Account page. This page will be where you can access your orders once you place them, your current billing and shipping addresses, and current company information.